Hi guys, so we are at Porsche Wilmslow near Manchester in the UK, and we're going to a Porsche event. It's a unveiling event, if you like, of a new model of the Porsche Panamera. I haven't been to one of these for a while now, probably a couple of years actually, so I thought I'd come down, see what's in. They always have some nice cars in when you come to one of these events, so I just thought I'd make a quick video for you guys and we'll look at some, do some car nerding. So they're doing the announcement of the new car through there. Not, to be honest, new Panamera, not that interesting to me. So I thought I'd take an opportunity to come in here and film, because they've got some excellent cars in here right now. They've got basically one of everything. We've got here the Cayman series, Boxster. You've got GT4, GT4 RS, Spider RS, Spider, and a that's a GTS 4 litre, so that's got the same engine as the Spider, but slightly detuned version of it. So you've got one of everything there. There's another Cayman there, which I don't know what it is, probably a Cayman S. You've got a GT3 RS over there, the new one, the latest 992. Here we've got a turbo, a few turbos here. Over there we've got a Speedster, a 991 Speedster over there. Yeah, so we've got everything, some electric stuff over there, Taycans and stuff. But yeah, effectively they've got one of every vehicle that they produce right now, almost, pretty much. Look at the size of this. This is a 1987 Porsche 911. It looks absolutely tiny next to all these massive cars. Even the new 911s look huge. There's one over there, you can't see it from here, but this it looks tiny. Look at the size of it in this parking space. You see the gap there. Any new car absolutely will fill this parking space completely. A 911 as well, I'm talking about. So yeah, they've really got fat over the years. This is a GT3 Touring. This is a 992 GT3 Touring. And if you compare it to that old 911, it looks absolutely massive. Still a beautiful looking car, but just think there's no comparison really in the terms of the sizes between the two.